Hi guys! Ako nga po pala si Rasha. So, welcome back po sa aking YouTube, sa kanya palang YouTube channel. And, kasi yung nakasulat sa kanyang YouTube channel like Emily says, ito po, may balik po tayong track. Nagsimula tayo sa track. So, this is a little track. There, a little track. And the tree. So, this is the tree. So, this is the big. So, these are she favorite because it's broken. Because it's broken.
Puro kaya ate English.
So, there. It's broken. Ito po. Then, para sundalo.
Soldier.
Soldier. There. Soldier.
This is a soldier. 4K lang daw sabi ni Sen.
This is bulldozer. That. It's turn. But then it's nothing now. But this is what I could expect because these are my favorite trucks. Producer. So this are the boat, our big boat. That's my favorite. Big boat. That. We eating this in the. This is the track. This is on the sand or nothing for it's good. So we each this in Olivares. And this is in McQueen, the cartoons, and this is 95 for McQueen. So this is the bulldozer again. So this is my favorite. It's learning, it's roll, and so it's and this is my favorite car. Okay, so this is there. These are there. So there, it's for girls. And this is the truck. For all the truck, she's so cute. And she's little. And this is my favorite in the world because this is very, very, very cute and very good. And this is the Joshua truck. There. And there. Okay. So this is our train for on the battery, and this is this is my favorite. And for on it, you got it and this. So there, we down now. So we needed to never for everything. So, kung nagustuhan niyo tong video na to, just subscribe into Emily YouTube channel. Where's it? So, and every endeavor. So, thank you for watching and hope you guys are enjoyed. Please subscribe and thumbs up and comment.